Hey guys, what's going on? Ernie here from Redefine the Grind. I was just wanting to teach you guys how to dice an onion. We want to take all of the difficulty out of meal planning. We want to try and teach you how to eat healthy. And basically we're going to give you a list of ingredients, recipes, here's how you do it, no thought at all. Going to make it affordable as well. But first, in honor of that, I'm going to teach you how to dice an onion super quick, no tears.
You know, there are a lot of dishes that call for onions, and that's good news because they're great for you. They're loaded with fiber, folic acid, and a ton of B vitamins. This guy right here is a root vegetable. It grows underground. You got this part here where the stalk grows out in the base of the bulb. What I like to do when breaking down an onion, take the end here, not the root or the stalk part, but the end, and just cut that off, get it out of the way.
So once the end's off, get that stuff out of the way. I like to cut it in half through the root. Alright, now the next thing we want to do is cut it long ways, a few times. I'm trying to get up close to the root, as close as you can. Typically I try to keep it together and keep your fingers out of the way. Now that you got it long ways, put a slice this way. That's about it. Sometimes I'll do two, depends on how fat the onion is. But then you're ready to dice this thing. Sometimes I put my fingers up on it. You don't have to. You can actually hold it back here if you're not a chef, but you want to keep your fingers out of the way of the blade. This is the part that causes no tears, and you're going to get a perfect dice, okay? Put your fingers on there, right through. Perfect dice. Every time. Some of it runs away.
It's okay, you just run up to the root. Just like Gordon Ramsay.
You're probably thinking like, oh, that's diced. Like, do you want to fine dice it, right? So all you gotta do is the same thing. You can just pull it a little bit tighter. So we can try that with the other half and show you guys how to do it a little bit finer. Okay. Just a little. Usually the board, if your cutting board is moving around like that, you can put a towel under it. It's a chef trick they do. And now, because I told you last time, we can put a couple of cuts in here. Just want to go about halfway. Full cuts. Now we can really make this a nice fine dice. And you can see it's about half the size of the other one. Okay, now we're down to the root. I usually just like to clean it up because I don't like to waste a lot. I'll just run the knife through. You want to get that part out of there. That's really it.